What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Now, today we're going to be talking about something that you may have been curious about. Let's get right into today's video. If you've been seeing red light therapy everywhere and wondering, does it really work? This video is for you. I want to share my real experience after consistently using red light therapy for the last 2 months on my face, neck, and belly, and what I've personally noticed. No hype, just honest results. I've been using 2 devices, the Coroever heated LED face mask and the UC red light therapy belt for the body. Let's start with the face. Let's start with the face and neck because that's where I noticed changes first. This mask uses red and infrared light with a gentle heated range between 25 Celsius and 32 Celsius. And let me tell you, that warmth alone feels like a mini spa session. After about 2 months of consistent use, here's what I've personally noticed. First, my skin looks more awake, not tighter in a frozen way, but firmer and more alive. My face just looks rested, even on days when I'm not. Second, smoother texture, especially around my cheeks and jawline. Makeup goes on better. My skin feels more even when I wash my face. That was a big one for me. Third, my neck looks more supported. You know how the neck is usually the first place to tell your age? I've noticed the skin there feels less crepey and more hydrated overall. And one thing I didn't expect, that gentle heat plus the red light helped me slow down. I usually use it at night, and it's become part of my wind down routine. This isn't about overnight miracles. It's about gradual, visible improvement when you're consistent. Now let's talk about the belly, because this is where a lot of people have questions. I've been using the UC red light therapy belt around my waist and lower abdomen, and sometimes on my lower back. Here's what I've noticed after 2 months. First, my belly feels less puffy. I'm not claiming spot fat loss, but the area looks smoother, especially when I'm standing or sitting. I've enjoyed wearing my clothes again. My clothes fit a little better, and that matters. Second, my core feels more comfortable, especially after long days. I use the belt after movement or at night, and it feels soothing. The warmth plus the light is incredibly relaxing. Third, my skin feels firmer in that area. Again, this is subtle, but when I'm consistent, I notice the skin looks more toned and less loose. And let's be honest, when something feels good, you're more likely to keep using it. This belt is easy, adjustable, and I can use it while watching TV or winding down. Consistency is everything. The face mask, I use it 3 to 5 times a week for about 15 to 25 minutes. The body belt, I use 4 to 5 times a week, especially on my belly or lower back. No extreme routines, no pressure, just making it part of my lifestyle. From my experience, red light therapy is best for supporting skin firmness and glow, helping your skin look healthier and smoother, encouraging relaxation and self-care, and supporting a consistent wellness routine. It's not magic. It is a tool, and when you use it regularly, you can see and feel the difference over time. After 2 months of using the Coroever heated LED face mask and the UC red light therapy belt, I can honestly say this: my skin looks better, my routine feels more intentional, and I feel good taking time for myself. If you're someone who wants non-invasive, at-home self-care that fits into real life, red light therapy might be worth trying. As always, consistency beats everything. If you want links to the exact devices I'm using, check the description box. And remember, results come from showing up for yourself regularly. I'll see you in the next one, beautiful babes.